Let's make achari chicken today with gravy. So for that we need, for dry ingredients, we need mustard seeds, coriander seeds, methi seeds, kalonji seeds, cumin seeds and red dried chilies. You have to powder this. For tempering, for bagar, you need garlic, methi, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, kalonji and red chilies and curry leaves. We need curry patta, that is curry leaves and green chilies, coriander leaves chopped, tomato paste you have to do, and yogurt and sauces, chili sauce, green chili sauce and soya sauce, salt and chicken and small lime and ginger garlic paste. Let's first add chicken in the cooker. Add ginger garlic paste, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder and yogurt. Mix this well and give 2 whistles. Don't add water to this. Meanwhile, grind these ingredients into fine powder. Powdered and kept aside. Make tomato puree and keep it ready. Now the chicken is done. Add some oil to it. Tomato puree and about half a glass of water. Mix well and let it cook for some time. It's cooked well. Add the curry leaves. Now add the powdered masala. Add chopped coriander leaves. Add half lemon juice. Add soya sauce, red chili sauce, green chili sauce. It's optional. If you want, you can put all this. And some tomato ketchup. Mix all this together. In another pan, add some oil. Put garlic cloves. When it turns slightly brown, then we'll add the other masala. Add raya, methi, kalonji and jeera. When it turns brown, add chilies and curry leaves. Add the Now it's done completely. So please do try this achari gosh at home and achari chicken.